Sum of first 12 terms, general term is a sub n is equals to 3n plus 5. So, given ang general term which is 3n plus 5. And number of terms is 12. If n is 1, so 3 times 1 plus 5, a sub 1 is 8. If n is 12, 3 times 12 plus 5. So, a sub 12 is equals to 41. Substitute na natin ito dito sa formula. Number of terms is 12. A sub 1 is 8. And last term is 41. Solving for s sub 12. S sub 12 is equals to 294.